Start your 24/7 digital business today. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, showing up, trying new things, staying hopeful, yet still feeling stuck in financial uncertainty? You're not alone. So many purpose-driven dreamers want a way to earn online without the overwhelm of tech, constant selling, or showing their face everywhere. That was me too, until I discovered the Freedom Formula Blueprint. My turning point. I remember staring at my laptop one evening, exhausted and not happy with my results. I asked myself a question that changed everything. What if I could create income quietly, in alignment with who I am, and still make an impact? That question led me to research, and I found the Freedom Formula Blueprint, a step-by-step digital marketing framework that automates income streams while letting you build your business on your terms. What I love about this blueprint, hearts, it's a done-for-you digital system designed for people who don't want to recruit or chase sales, want to earn 100% profits through automation, want to build a legacy income, crave freedom, adventure, and peace of mind. With this blueprint, you learn to build an audience through attraction marketing, automate sales funnels that work 24/7, leverage proven programs with ready-made systems, focus on living your life while your business runs in the background, and if you prefer to stay private, you can build a faceless brand, no dancing or camera required. Start your 24/7 pre-built online business today. The hidden cost of staying stuck. Let's be real. Financial stress drains your creativity, peace, and confidence. Every day you delay starting something automated, the harder it becomes to shift from survival mode to freedom mode. If you've been overthinking your next move, trying to make ends meet, feeling unseen despite your efforts, then it's time to pivot to something sustainable. Pro tip: focus on systems, not stress. Once your automation is in place, your role shifts from hustler to creator. You'll have more energy to do the things that actually bring joy, like nature walks, time with loved ones, or planning your next adventure. Let's talk. Do you believe financial freedom should feel simple and aligned, not stressful and chaotic? Drop A in the comments, or share one word that describes your dream lifestyle. Ready to build a business that works while you do life? Don't wait until another year passes with what ifs. Freedom favors the action takers, those who start before they're ready. Limited access. This offer is available for a short time at the current entry cost. Start your 24/7 business today. No tech skills needed. Your blueprint to financial peace and freedom is just one decision away. Whom I help. I guide beginner digital entrepreneurs and faceless freedom seekers to go from feeling stuck in financial stress and uncertainties to multiple automated income streams so that they can live their dream life with greater purpose, adventure, and peace of mind. What is my channel about? Welcome to Aligned Digital Freedom, your gateway to time, financial, and location freedom. At Aligned Digital Freedom, we guide quiet achievers and freedom seekers to build automated online income streams that work around their lifestyle, not the other way around. Through practical digital marketing strategies, done-for-you systems, and smart automation, you'll learn how to create 100% profit income without sacrificing your values or time. Whether you're a busy professional, a nature lover, a beginner entrepreneur, this space is about reclaiming your independence and designing a future on your terms. Download your free 100% profit blueprint at bankdailydollars.com.